MEC for Basic Education in Limpopo Province, Honorable Polimushiel, on behalf of the Executive Mayor of Waterberg District, Councillor Buluka, let me also acknowledge the two acting HODs from Basic Education, Tatema Shaba, and from Transport, Mel Kudeki. I also would want to recognize the school governing body of Northern Comprehensive School. I recognize the happening principal that they Chara, Dr. Ngobeni, the second manager, all the officials from the body department in different can recognize Hapekere, Babi, Baba Butro, National Jamara Kikusiaga, Kilunaway Baba Butro, Banaba School, Bayan Probatu Amahagachi. I also would want to say to yourself, Kiarona, Karibua Yagadua Gaji. We're talking from a constitutional imperative. Every child has got the right to basic education, including adult basic education and further education, which the state, through reasonable measures, must make this education progressively available and accessible. And this you find in section 29, subsection 1 of the Constitution of the Republic of South Africa. And because progressively we must avail education to yourself, but also make this education accessible to yourself. Because ke se se irang gore le kgona gore le fitlhelele thuto gompieno yana. And ke batla gore gape ke re Ntate Mandela o kile ra bua a re education is the only tool that will make the world to change. It will make the mine worker's child to be a miner. It will also make an agricultural farm worker's child to be a farmer and an agricultural person who will understand all those issues. Maikaelo a gore ka tse gore nne re le mo ga re ka re tlo fa dibaesekele ke tlhotlheletso e re nang le yona le thagasello ya gore le kgone gore le rutege le rutiwe. Ke berekile thata tota mo Waterberg District ga ke be ke sentane ke sa ya ka Memushielo a buile and mo Northern se ne ke se bereka thata ke taba ya gore ko re nnang ko teng kwa ne go phela go na le matsapa, especially when I was MEC for safety and security, community safety and security. Ne go phela go na le matsapa a gore go nwa bojalwa bana ga ba ye dikolong, so o tla nna le thagasello eo ya gore o kgone go bona gore bana ba at least tota ba ya dikolong le gore bojala bo fokotsege mo teng mo. So se re ka ipotsa sona ke gore a na re ge re tlile mo re tlo le fa dibaesekele tšhono e lena le tlo e fitlhelelang ke e ntseng yang What opportunities are you going to make when you use these bicycles coming to school? What is your ideal when you come to school that eventually one day you will be this person? Re bua ka ma-councilor, re bua ka di-MEC, re bua ka di-deputy minister, re bua ka bo-HOD, re bua ka di-circuit managers, principal. Wena ga o tsena sekolo yana o ikemisetsa go dira eng? Se ke batlang gore ke se bue gape le lona ke gore re tlile mo go tlo buisana le lena gore se se botlhokwa ka di-bicycle tse ke gore re kgone gore le tle sekolong. Se se botlhokwa ka di-bicycle tse ge re le fa tsona yana ke gore le itse gore bokamoso ba naga ya Afrika Borwa bo mo matsogong a lona. Re aga naga ya Afrika Borwa yaka re beya fela so and re ka se kgone go aga naga ga re sena bana ba ba rutegileng. Re ka se kgone go aga naga ga re sena a pen is mightier than a sword, and therefore this pen which you will be using, which is mighty, very mighty, ke yona e tlo kgonang gore e re thuse gore re agena bokamoso ba naga ya rona. Se tlo re bontsha gore rona re ikaelela go ya kae. Re na le melao e le mentsi, re na le di-regulations di le dintsi, re na le di-policies di le dintsi, but I just want to single out two critical issues. Re a buisana yaka re le Afrika Borwa, re buisana le dinaga mabapi, re tsenela dikopano tse dintsi tsa mafatshe. Ke batla gore ke re mo go lona ke re National Development Plan ya Afrika Borwa, the Vision 2030 ya Afrika Borwa, e re bolelela gore ga gona sepe se ka kgonang gore se fitlhelele ga go sena thuto. Our National Development Plan, which is a vision of the Republic of South Africa, says education and training is what we must ensure we impart to our children so that we can be able to benefit as a country from this educated, from this trained personnel that we are building today. Hape, ga re ya ko United Nations, the Sustainable Development Goals, le yona e gatella mo go yona eo. Section 17 of the Sustainable Development Goal e gatella mo gore re tshwanetse gore re nne le batho ba ba tlameng ba rutegile. Gona yaanong bo mme Boshielo le bo mme Motshega ba lebelela gore re se re ra ira A, B, C, D. Ana wa nyanya, re lebelele gape gore ga ana a nyanya o ya kae, o ya ko masimong o ile go tlhagola, o ya ko di-mining o ile go dira eng tota, every other thing, because that is what this education is all about. The Sustainable Development Agenda, universal as it is, holistic as it is, indivisible as it is, and with special imperatives that we're looking at, dictates to us that inclusive and equitable quality education is what we should be able to promote. And we can only promote quality education ka gore rona ka moga transport go na le scholar transport e leng gore e tsamaisa bana ba le ba ileng gore ba tlhaga kgakala 5 kilometers and more. Ra nna le program e ya gompieno e ke tlisitseng kwane ya Shoba Kalula, lona ba le tsamayang less than 5 kilometers ga la dumelwa gore le namele di-taxi tsela tse e leng gore puso ya di patelela, but we are able to say traveling 3 kilometers and less than 5 kilometers o fitlha ko sekolong o lapile, o fitlha ko sekolong o se tlhele o sa kgone go concentrate. And therefore that is why when we give you this, it will help you, or at least you will be able to arrive at school on time, arrive at school having done the most important thing, having exercise, because we want to see you healthy. When you shop at Kalula, you become one of the healthiest people. When you show Kalula, you arrive at school on time, and then hawala ka go tsamaile sebaka se se lele o fitla ko sekolong se tla o sa na le concentration gore ka kgona gore o utlwelle ge matitšhere ba bua le wena. So these are the critical things tse leng gore re tshwanetse re di lebelele. Presidente wa go fitile o rile ga bua le Basic Education Center e re ke monopole a re we want to ensure that 2030 vision South Africans will have access to education and training of the highest quality, leading to significantly improved learning outcomes. President the performance of South African learners in international standardized tests should be comparable to the performance of the learners from countries as similar as ours and with the same level of development as ours, and all learners were expected that you should be able to read and make meaningful understanding of what you are reading by your 10th birthday. And these are the things that rona yana batswadi re tshwanetse gore re tsenye letsogo gore le bana ba rona ge ba bala ba tlhaloganye gore bana ba rona ge ba dira di homework mo ba palelwang re kgona gore re ba thuse re itse gore re aga bokamoso. Then President went on further to say that our mathematics and physical science pass rate should be comparable with, if not better than, other nations similar to us, in particular, similar to us within the budget confines of this basic education. We are building an education system that will help free the potential of each of our citizens so that they too can enjoy the dividends of our hard-won freedom. Let me close quote of what the President has said. See, this quote, dear President, Hana bua le batho ba basic education, e botlhokwa gore re latelle, because ga re itse gore re ka phala bana ba go Zimbabwe ba e leng gore ga bana tšhelete, ga gona eng, ga re ka bereka thata e ka se nne maZimbabwe ba e leng gore ba tlabe ba bereka mo di-mining e le di-engineer, e ka se nne maZimbabwe ba e leng gore ba tlabe ba etla ba tlo ruta mo dikolong tsa rona ba itse maths le physics gore phala ke se e leng gore tshwanetse re nne le thagaselele le tsone. So rona ka di-bicycle tse re leka gore re nke re promote gore ko magaeng in particular bana ba kgone gore ba fitlhelele se e leng gore re ikemiseditse sone. Province ya rona ya Limpopo go na le bana ba bantsi ba ba tsamayang ka maoto. Province ya Eastern Cape, province ya Northwest le province ya KwaZulu-Natal ke di-province tse nne tse e leng gore bana ba tsamaya sebaka se se leele ka maoto. And this for us becomes an important thing because ha re tlisa scholar transport ko KZN ke matsapa fela mme Bošieng, because go na le di-van ba di bitsa gore ke di-van tsa bo malome. Di-van tsela di kgona go rwala 70 wa bana e le just van-enyana, just a normal van e rwale 70 ya bana e namelele thaba e fologele ka kwa ga e fologela ka kwa di-briki di pala go raya gore o tlo tlhokofalelwa ke bana ba bakae ba le bantsi. And we're trying very hard to say lona bo malome anke le rekeng dikhumbi kgotsa di-bus ga o na le bana ba ba 70 bus e tlabe ba siametse or 35 seater e tlabe e ba siametse gore o ka kgona gore o ba rwale. But these are the challenges that we are having in most of the provinces, particularly in the rural areas. So the bicycle tse re di fang tsona tse ka jeko, one other thing tse e leng gore tshwanetse gore re di tlhaloganye. And I hope that this is one of the things, especially because lona mo le nna in an area which produces a lot of emissions ko di-mining. part of the things that we're trying to promote, let us live up to what is happening. Climate change, you are frustrated. Hona yanong tse re bona go na le cyclone e senya batho ba le bantsi ba tlhokofetse batho ba le bantsi ga bana matlo ka ntlha ya gore we don't adhere to the climate change issues. Ha re ka fokotsa gore go se nne le mesi e le mentsi. When we driving the cars, we are producing emission by driving these cars. So when you are using the bicycles, we're killing so many birds with one stone by just riding a bicycle. We are reducing production of emissions. You are also exercising and you become healthy. And motorized transport is one of the things that we're trying to deal with to make sure that there is no traffic congestions in our towns. Because how tsamaya mo pavement, whereas traffic, those who are like bona mo toropong ya lena gore go ntse yang ke batla gore ke re program direct le rutilwe lona ba le tlabeng le kry-a di-bicycle le rutilwe gore di-bicycle tse di tshwanetse gore di tshwariwe yang. Mara se se botlhokwa ke gore o se ka lebala go apara helmet ya gago, o se ka lebala go apara reflector ya gago, because ha go le maru go le pula o tla sekolong o tlo kgona go bonala ha o na le reflector o tlo kgona gore o itshireletse in the eventuality wa because o tla bo o apere helmet ya gago. These are the critical things that you must always make sure that la dilebelle setse ba buile mo gore anke le ditlhokomele di-bicycle tse di tlile go le tlhokomela le lona ge ntse re tswela pele. And le se ke la lebala gore di-bicycle tse ke property ya puso ya sekolo sa comprehensive mo North Memo because ke bona ba e leng gore ba tla tshwanela gore every now and then banke ba tlo lebelela gore a na tota di-bicycle tse di santse sentle, a na di-bicycle tse di sa dira tiro e leng gore tshwanetse gore le di dire. Ga e bontshitse make sure you've got a kit that you can be able to use gore o bone gore bicycle e ka re bontshitse what are the things that we can be able to do. Let me complete by saying la bona ya ka re ntse yana I know gore ka tse go ne tla be re tletse le batho ba botlhe ba mo North Memo ba le teng mo especially ko Smash ne ke ba dilo ka re ke le isitse tiro e ko Smash Block a ke re la hutse ko Smash Block go ntse ya ka re ke berile ko Smash Block batho ba nke ba bone gore rona re tshila ya and motshilo o monate but ka ntlha ya COVID-19 re ntse yana re phatlaletse yana ka ntlha ya gore na le bolwetse bo re sa bo tlhaloganye ke ka tsela e re iphitlhelang e le gore re ntse matasatasa re bitsana re le lekokonyana le lennyane. But we hope that you will be able to be educated so that you can be the scientists of tomorrow who will be able to assist us to understand the pandemics that are still going to be coming. Because it's not only this COVID-19 pandemic, there's still going to be others. Ba le tlhaloganyang le tla utlwa gote COVID-19 e simolotseng last year ga tlhele tshwana le ne re bona e bolaya batho ka bontsi. It mutates. You will be able to understand scientifically what really happens. Because if you've got a cell and that cell grows another layer, you will not be able to reach the inner layer precisely because it has now got another layer. So these are the things. We are in the second wave where they say that the COVID-19 has mutated. We don't know what is going to be happening. The third wave, because sometimes we got third wave, it will feed. So, in other words, you have to learn and work very hard. Namme una bulela every now and then. Are mo gonna ga ise ke bone le pitla ga ke mosadi o na bereka thata o bolaile ke dibereko tsa gage ga ise ke le bone lebitla la motho a berekang mara lebitla la motho o tswafang ke le bone ka gore ga o tswafa o tlo bolaiwa ke tlala o tlo bolaiwa ke tlala gare yo o bolailwe ke kwashioko o bolailwe ke pelegra because ana a tswafa a sa batle gore a ye ko tshimong kwa a yo bereka. There is no hard work doesn't kill, but hard work makes you to improve yourself and improve your standard of being. So ke ditlhotlheletso tse ke di lefang tsona tseo tsa gore when you work very hard o tlo ja mphuputso wa phatla ya gago because you have worked very hard and thuto ga e golelwe rona ba bang sentane re sa bala wa bala ke tsofetse yana ke sampane ke sa bala ke kwala di-test ke kwala di-assignment. You know, incidentally wena in Mebushian last year I wrote an assignment ka submit one young learner from UNISA ka the same issues I had submitted my assignment and I just said to her, go and read this assignment of mine. Read this assignment and create understanding of how you are going to be approaching. Because what you are explaining is the same subject matter, even though we were doing it at this level. Guess what? She got 93% precisely of going through what I did and merging those things with what she was learning from her learning materials. And that's why you learn until you die. And read your books. Nowadays, you are very advantaged. You can be able to Google a number of information that you want to improve yourself. Mara tseki sitting ke gore batswadi ba le rekela di phone la tsa di phone tsela la di berekisa botlhaswa. Use your phone constructively. Get information from your phone. If the school has got a Wi-Fi, it's a bonus. If go high or at least you are able to get that information, you will be able to improve yourself. But what becomes very, very important, look at your surroundings. As you will be using these bicycles, go around and be able to say, what are the things, how just go along high, what are the things that we can be able to improve in this, our town, in this, our community, our society, our family, and in particular, the family of learners. This schooling community should be able to benefit from you because definitely, next time when we come, MEC Bushier will find that ebane regular beetroot, ebane regular ginger. Ginger is karasa, garlic is karasa, I know that this area, Waterberg, you've got your soil accepts anything and everything that you can be able to grow. So I am calling on the school governing body to say, utilize this yard, the school yard. You can be able to generate income for the school. You can be able to assist those families who actually cannot be able to have food on the table. And right over COVID-19, how do we contribute toward reconstruction of our country? How do we contribute towards making sure for economy we can do it in very many different ways. I was showing my elder sister Malova, bona mosetsana o wa 15 years o na rekisa magwinya ko sekolong. Every morning o tla ka bucket ya magwinya, o feleleditse a kgona gore a fe mme wa gagwe tšhelete gore a age ntlo. What an exciting story. Sa ngwana o e leng gore o na le, she's got a business acumen. Ke ile ko sekolong ko Dendron. Ga ke fitla ko Dendron High School when I was still working around here, I found several learners who were competing internationally. They will develop their own concept. One of the learners had a concept of using toilet, the system of a toilet that you can flush but using very little water. And I think that concept has been taken over by CSIR to make sure that you really can be able to save water. The other one was saying, because we've got lots of tomatoes, he started doing something, making sure that he does preservation of tomatoes before they get rotten, and was competing. He became #1 in Africa, precisely with just that concept of preservation of tomatoes. Again, the canned fruit, the dried tomatoes and stuff like that. And those are the things that you can be able to do. Do your research. You will be a researcher. Has it all university? It starts now. King Serkasira for at least indigenous medicines and indigenous knowledge. Let's find out as to what are the things that we can put together. We really need to do that. I wish to say to yourself, don't forget to wash your hands every time. Make sure that you wash your hands. Make sure that you've got your masks on. Make sure that you have social distance. Fortunately, ka bicycle ona mela ole one. Mara ke a itse gore o mongwe o tlo namela mo saleng. Le tlo ba nametsa mo disaleng. That's what I know, because you are very innovative and you are very creative. That's what children's minds are all about. Mara ho mo nameditse mo saleng, you must make sure that o sanitize it, o apere mask. But I would prefer for my only one if you can. Let me wish you all the best. That principal something that will be able to contribute towards you getting the best results out of Banaba, you getting professionals out of Banaba. School governing body ya mono Bawat councilor le ma councilor alimo. This, like Nebushielo Abu, we speak of history, but we must also think of the future. From here, how do we go into tomorrow? And when tomorrow comes, how do we go into another tomorrow? Making sure that who contributed to you, we are contributing towards the development of South Africa. We are contributing towards developing an African continent. We are contributing towards a better world where you will be flying around into this better world. Ke a leboga bana ba ka, ke na le tshepo ya gore re tlo re ga re boa gape lengwe la malatsi e bane we are seeing something better and something good out of the contribution that we have made. Thank you very much.
Another round of applause.